Dr. KPS. Where is Pradeep? So tell me, Krishna Meera, do you remember meeting me sometime? What's your name? What does it mean? Supporting God, close to God. So all the Devanganas are dancers, supporters in the Devaloka. So you are one of the servant of God. All of us are servants of God. See, why I asked this question, how much gender knowledge you have, how much quest you have, quest. What is quest? All that question you heard, right? Answer you heard. Write down the word, the question, and find out what is the root word for that. How do you get root word? Go to wordhippo.com. The hippo means the dance. Hippo dance. Word, you are tilting it. When you tilt, you will get the essence of it, right? You understand what does it mean. So question comes from the root word called quest. So if you have quest, question will come out. Where do the question comes? Oh, I want to know. Zeal for knowledge, thirst for knowledge. When you have agraham, then question will come. So one good quality of anybody who is a good student is have a lot of questions. I love your father so much. You know why? He keep on asking questions. Every bit of it he will ask questions. That's how he gained a lot of knowledge. I must have met thousands of people, but I don't keep contact with everybody. Because he has quest. We traveled together long distance. He used to drive for me. What for? What for he drives? Why he drives for me? No, because during the travel we can discuss a lot of things. Got it? I missed. I never had a recorder with me those days. Now I have. Those days when I had a recorder, what I did was I recorded the whole thing. That would have been a great knowledge. Yes, same thing when I went last year in America, I used a recorder and then one person like Dharma, his name was Dharma. We used to discuss and all of them I recorded and posted on YouTube called Dialogue on Drive. Those days I used to tell. In India I had one Pradeep when we used to drive. He used to ask a lot of questions. I never had a recorder. I never recorded. I never thought about it. Got it?
Yes.
So always keep record. See, I'm also recording this.
Okay.
Because I value this discussion. You are not recording because you don't value it.
That's.
You understood what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, tell me, what do you want?
I completed my CSET examination, so
completed. See, completed. That part of examination. That examination is important. The word.
CSET.
So that you should say slowly. Rest of the things can be faster.
Okay.
What is that I have to catch? That examination name, right?
Yes.
So don't be in a hurry. So what did you do?
I completed CSET examination.
CS
Executive Entrance Test.
What is it?
CS Executive Entrance Test.
What is CS?
CS Company Secretary.
Who is conducting it?
ICSI.
What is ICSI?
Indian Institute of Company Secretaries of India.
Is it under Government of India?
Yes, Ministry of Corporate Affairs.
Is it recognized by university?
Recognized? No, it's under Government of India.
Is it a degree?
It's a board.
Is it a degree?
It's equal to P. If I completed my CS, it's considered as a PG degree.
Where?
It's equivalent
Where is it
in
written?
India.
Where is it written? It is equivalent to PG. I am recording it. I will question and then file a case against them. Who taught you this?
Because I just had a question relating this on my exam.
What is that?
I had a question related this on my exam.
What?
CS is equal to which course?
Ah.
Now it's recognized equal to PG.
So assume that you CS you pass. What is the previous
Yes,
qualification required to join?
+2.
After +2, how many years for PG?
5.
So this CS exam is 5 years program?
First we have to complete the CSE, then we endorse to executive, then we have professional. We complete 3 years. Next 2 years we will be having articleship.
Okay, but which university is giving you the degree is my question. India only University Grants Commission can give degree. UGC.
UGs.
Correct or not?
Correct.
Do you think with your PG you can go and become a lecturer in a university?
No.
Equivalent means it is equal, correct?
Yeah.
Is it equal?
PG is equal to lecturer degree.
After that you can become a lecturer.
No.
Why?
Because a teaching profession need advanced qualification.
What is that advanced qualification? No, that is for only schools, not in colleges.
Colleges, doctorate.
Yeah. Then with this CS program, can you join for doctorate?
No.
You said it is PG, equivalent to PG.
It's I just knew.
No, it is not. Okay, it is not a recognized degree. Are you doing BCom?
Yes, I am doing it.
Why are you doing BCom if you are already, that is another course equivalent to a PG?
Because I am a person with I have a lot of tension. So I am not confident.
I am asking, assume that somebody is confident he will get. Is there anybody who does CS without a BCom?
Yes, there are so many people.
Okay, assume that if they fail after 5 years, what will be their qualification, you know?
Nothing.
+2.
+2.
Why? Why?
Because they didn't choose any other degree.
Yeah. Therefore, degree, it is not equivalent to degree. You understood what I am saying? It is almost like a degree. Everybody will pass. No, BCom everybody passes. You are confident I will pass. But CS everybody will not pass. So CS is not a degree. They don't have to tell we are equivalent to degree. It is higher than degree. It is higher than PG.
Okay.
It is a competitive exam. A professional exam.
Professional exam.
Which you have to add with your degree.
Okay.
Closest to that is BCom. No. Closest to that is BCom LLB. Because you have law paper also.
Law paper.
The contractual law.
Law.
All the papers are there, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So what you should do is either BCom and LLB. All the syllabus you take it from any university, open, it's available on internet. Take all the books and keep it and read parallel. Write down all the technical words. Now you are doing BCom. Before that you did the +1 +2 commerce.
Commerce.
Okay. What is the? I am sure Pradeep will immediately answer. I don't want. I want Devankana to answer. What is the meaning of property?
Property. Property is something. It can be a land or something that a person owns.
Okay.
Property.
Okay. Now tell me, Srinarayana Guru has got a Dharma Shastra.
Yes.
What is Dharma?
Dharma means Dharma means I think ethics.
Ethics, huh? What is ethics?
Ethics means something we should keep an ethical standard in our society.
Yeah. Suppose somebody is keeping that standard, what do we call that standard? Is it not the property of that man?
No, it's not property of. It's his character.
Yeah, character is a property or not?
Character is it's a property. You can call it as a property.
You understood?
Yes, I understand.
So, when you know property, you only think that the land, building, items which you have. No. In spiritual world, property means quality.
Quality.
Quality means dharma.
Okay.
So, what is the translation for dharma?
Quality.
Property.
Property.
What is the quality of sugar?
Sugar. Sweetness.
Sweetness. What is the property of sugar?
Sweetness.
Quality is property.
Okay.
What is the dharma of a sugar?
Giving sweetness.
Sweetness. So what is dharma? That is property.
Property.
Devangana, in this world nobody will teach you like this.
Okay.
Are you able to understand?
Yes, I am able to understand.
So when you learn a word, don't learn it for that purpose, in that context. How is it used? That is how teachers will teach you. Now don't read like that.
Okay.
You should read the whole concept. Okay.
Okay.
Which is your school?
Bharati Vidyabhan.
Do you own it?
No.
Then why did you say it is my school?
School in which I study.
Yeah, because you have a bondage.
Yes, sir.
You have a relationship. Are you my property?
No.
No. We have no bondage, no relationship.
Like that.
See, don't you tell that this is my Vellachan?
Yes, I say they like.
Do you have a paper written and then document registered in the registrar's office? This is my Vellachan?
No.
Still we will say, right?
Yes.
So that is a bondage which we create.
Okay.
So every word which you learn from today, there are two things. In your CS, company secretary, there are two things. One is exactly what does it mean? That is commerce.
Commerce.
But law is there. What is law? The law of the land. What is the practice? Each word is used in a different style. That is our practice.
Okay.
So now don't read just like until now +2 you learned only commerce.
Commerce.
You never learned law. Do you know that Dr. TPS is an advocate, LLB?
I didn't.
I am also an LLB. Okay. So when we learn, we must look at it in a larger perspective. How do you get that ability? Every word, say property. Look at the dictionary meaning. Synonym, different words. Where are all it used? Don't search for meaning. Learn the whole word.
Okay.
Earlier in dictionary, you look for what is the meaning. Oh, this is the meaning. I understood the sentence. No. Now that sentence, wherever it comes in your life, you should remember.
Okay.
Are you ready to learn like that?
Yes.
Every moment, there has to be lot of knowledge. Create lot of words, technical words.
Okay.
Whatever common words which you know, write, put it in an Excel sheet, create yourself. That will become a big asset for you.
Okay.
That will be your dictionary, not somebody's dictionary. Oh, don't tell it is there in the book. No, it should be there in your brain.
Okay.
Then only the way I am speaking now, is it because the knowledge is in the book or I am speaking just like that?
Because of experience.
Yeah. How do you gain that experience?
Learning.
Yeah, the other day, yesterday I had a talk. and one of the co-speaker, one of the, not actually co-speaker, the chief guest of the program from Queen Elizabeth Locas from United Kingdom. She is a great speaker. She wrote lot of books, plenty of books. But we have a dialogue. Okay. So why do people have a dialogue?
For communication.
No, why people contact? Are you able to read this?
No.
Now?
1 minute. Now I am.
Read.
Sir, now I am not able to.
Possible now?
No, it's not clear.
Okay, I'll send you that.
Okay, sir.
The sentence says, you spoke as father of wisdom. Okay. And the last sentence says, permit me to call you as a mentor of all mentors in education. And permit me to call you as my mentor. Why? The word which you use has to become very, very clear, because they only know me through 10 minutes of talk. Got it? So
Yes.
how do you present yourself depends on that number of words which you have, which you understand the value of it, and the clarity of thoughts.
Okay.
Why am I saying this? A chartered accountant, company secretary is not just an accountant. He is also a lawyer. He has to present his case in the court. No advocate can present. Do you know this?
Yes.
So Devangana is going to be an advocate who is able to speak like a authentic person.
Okay.
That should be your ability. So one is language, second is clarity, third is technical words. So what is that you want? What do you have any confusion, any clarity?
Yes, I have confusion regarding which institute should I choose for my senior executive program.
What is that you have to choose?
I want a proper guidance regarding PS executive and coaching. So I was.
Actually, nobody will coach you. Don't think about the tuition, coaching, all that. Now you are a person who can read and understand. The what I told just now is read word by word, every page, look at dictionary meaning, read it again.
Okay.
It's all written in English.
Yes.
Is there a mathematics which you don't understand, which is higher?
No.
It's all simple, understandable, no?
Yes.
So what you do is take the book, open it, take a note or Excel sheet, keep on making your own notes, understand it perfectly. Any subject, any topic, you have any book in front of you?
No, I didn't, because I am not registered. I didn't register for CS executive.
First thing, don't think, oh, will I be able to do it? Will I become a failure? All that you forget. Now Devangana can take any toughest exam in the world.
Okay.
Any toughest exam. Challenge. Do like this the way I told you. What is to be done? Look at word by word. Understand the meaning. You are not reading for passing exam. That every buffalo will pass. Every common person will pass. That's not your task. Your task is to understand. You want to become an expert in that. You want to gain full knowledge. With that spirit you learn. Exam writing is very casual.
Got it? Now today you went to class.
Yes.
What did you learn?
Today was my first day, so there was no classes as regular classes. They started classes in online mode, but today there were no classes, just interaction.
With whom?
The teachers.
Okay, what is that happened in the class is class. I am not asking syllabus.
Okay.
You went to college. So what did happen today? Just interaction. No. What did you get at least 10 points today?
Yes.
That is what I am asking.
Okay.
I am not asking whether they completed the syllabus for exam purpose. In which chapter they completed. That's not my task at all. See, now what will happen after this maybe half an hour of discussion we had? Somebody will ask you, what did Dr. TPS spoke you? Something which is useless. Because it is not going to ask in exam, right? Is it the way you value this discussion?
No.
Same way. Every discussion, every dialogue, every communication, every transaction, every network, every dialogue, every interaction has got a value in life. So I asked, today you have spent half of the day.
Yes.
Almost 3/4 of the day is gone. What did you learn today was my question. It can be while traveling you learn something, while meeting somebody, by looking at somebody. That has to be the message. Don't tell nothing is there. Don't tell just like that. No, that is why I'm saying always look for some credit,
Okay.
some value addition. That is what I want. So what to us today is value addition for you?
Today it was a new experience for me because my school was very near my house. It's my first experience to travel a long distance, and I was able to interact with my lecturers, and got too many friends.
Again, you did not understood. See, you met a lot of people, you traveled a lot. That is not what you did today. You had interaction. See, now after this half an hour, if somebody asks you, what did Dr. TPS said? See, I am meeting sometime first and he had a different clothing. His hair was different. That is not the content, no. Did that add some value to you? So today what happened? Again, I am asking you.
Today.
See, I will tell you, when I go for a feast, Sadhya, there were a lot of items. Everything was enjoyable. Everything was beautiful. That everybody will tell that comment. I don't want that. I want a very specific. Suppose you are an expert in eating. You know what they will say? Pulinji was good. But I wish there were little sharkara inside. That means, oh, he understands food. Understood? Semia payasam was not fit for that program because everybody makes it. It should have been Adapradhaman. That means he knows what is exactly required there. So I am not asking, you went to Thrissur and came back. Many people in this world goes every day from Kodungalur to Thrissur and come back. So long travel. No. They meet lot of people, make lot of, no. All that is useless. I want, what did you learn today? Otherwise, I will tell you what will happen, Devangana. Every day in your life will go waste like this. Because you are not valuing. What is required is you must have value. What is that you got today? Otherwise, don't go. Just because they gave you attendance, don't go. That's all waste. Why did you see? If you don't go also, you can get attendance, right? There are many methods to get attendance. I was also part of university. Do you know that I was director of university, Calicut University? The college where you are going was I was part of that college also. Getting attendance, don't go to college just because college is open. When you know you are going, there has to be some content which you get out of it. So I am asking, what did you get today?
Today. My Malayalam sir taught the importance of languages in our life. he told us about why we should include languages in our syllabus. We only have language in first semester. It's given to us for understanding the feeling of people and to understand people.
Is it something which you don't know so far? You got a new knowledge or what?
No.
Then why do you listen that? You should have told, sir, we know all this. Do you have anything extra to tell? I have traveled from Kodungalur and came to Thrissur to listen to this. Is it something new knowledge which you got? I am asking, what is that extra?
Extra knowledge.
Okay, now tell me, you have met a lot of friends. What did you speak to them which gained little extra experience in your life?
What, sir?
With whom you interacted and what extra you got?
There was no casual interactions. Just interacting with the teachers.
Yeah, you see how many times you use word just. That means it was very casual. Nothing great happened. Correct?
Yes.
Don't waste time like this. Got it?
Yes.
Why is it not happening? Because you are not carrying a great thing to share with them. Now why I am saying, now Devangana has to improve. You cannot improve alone. When you go tomorrow, you should tell what happened today with me. At least 3-4 people. And tell them every day you learn, create a sheet, identify 20 words, and next day let us come and discuss that whenever we get time. Many people will not listen to this. They will say, no, all these are waste. But then you try with many more people like this. Your father knows how to market and get people who are in your control. Then you will find some 1 or 2 people in the whole 100 people, only 2 people, 3 people will be there who will be interested in this. Those people has to be your company.
Okay.
Because you are starting a new academics, right?
Yes.
That is how you should learn. Do you ask your father? When I remember when we were discussing, American dollar price was going down. There were a lot of problems in economy. What is that problem called? You must also learned in your class.
Fiscal deficit.
No, fiscal deficit is not that. Fiscal deficit is when you make a budget. No, that was not the whole world. Dollar price is the standard and dollar price was down, so the whole market had a problem. See, you are a commerce student, yeah, you are a company secretary. I am asking business. This is the basic big problem which happened in business. Do you know that I am as a professor of management?
Yes.
So I teach management subject, I teach economics. So this is my subject, so I am asking. You are also into that same subject. Ask your father, he will tell you.
Dollar price situation.
Dollar price Indian dollar price
That was a big crisis. That was a big crisis in business in some time back.
Depression time.
That is what I want. So generally people will say depression, right? Actually that is not a technical word. That's a wrong word. What is the actual word is what I want.
Actual word.
Because of depression, all the dollar value different and bank
Inflation.
No, inflation is you take the GDP, take 50 items which are commonly used, identify the price hike in that for the last 6 months, and then we compute the inflation, and then say 4% inflation, and every government employee will get a DA accordingly. So that happens in every internal budget also. I'm talking about the whole world had a depression, which is not a technical word. Depression is not the actual word. Have you ever heard subprime crisis?
Subprime crisis. No, I don't remember.
See, why you are not hearing it? Because you are not connected to what is happening in the world. You never heard expert talking about it. Many people speak, but experts speak in a different style, right?
Yes.
So how do you get those words? How do you understand that language? Have you ever known edX course?
No.
Have you ever heard about Coursera?
No.
No. All these are open international university where they will give you lot of diploma, certificate, programs free. No money is to be paid. So I want Devankana, don't join for any tuition, any coaching center, but look at the syllabus, identify some word in that, and then search internationally which university is going to give you that degree in that subject. See, financial depression. You want accounts. Okay, you want to learn about accountancy. You want to learn about how banking is done. You take all the syllabus. Your college teachers will teach you normal style. Don't worry about it. They can only teach you that much because they did not go into international level. But what you should do is, today online open courses are available. Online open free courses, no payment. Maybe 40,000 courses are there in one university. 40,000 courses. Can you imagine? Every subject you can learn private. And the lectures will be international lectures. Join free. Internet is there. You can download the lecture, listen that many times, make a note. They may ask you also to give an examination, write examination without any fear, because they are not going to charge you anything. If you get certificates in next 1 year, today is 22nd November. In 2022, by this time, if you can complete 20 courses related to BCom, related to chartered accountancy, your knowledge will become a postdoctorate knowledge. Because your father told me one quality in you, you are eager to learn, you have all the energy to learn. But I am not seeing that in your quality now. That is not your problem, because you did not get an interaction. I am sure this interaction should make you to step from normal student to an international student.
Okay.
Which course? Any course. edX Coursera. I will send you the links. I will send it to that number where I have sent you this link. I will send all that details.
Okay.
Read as many subject. Look at which subject you want. You want accountancy? Search accountancy. If you don't understand, leave that course. No problem. But keep on every day. Not like your college. Now today you have sent 6 hours. What did you do? Nothing. Nothing great. Suppose I would have been your Malayalam teacher, I would have made you to speak. Oh, today I had a Malayalam teacher. Yeah, what a great knowledge he has. Right? I will start from Shakuntalam. I will start from Kumarasambhavam. I will talk about Kalidasa. I will come to Kumaranashan. I will talk about Palpu. You know why Kumaranashan became famous?
He was a great poet.
Now, who made him great?
Srinarayana Guru.
What was his position? What was Srinarayana Guru's position? They worked together. As what?
Yeah, I Don't know, sir.
There were 3 people who started SNDP. One is Palpu, Srinarayana Guru, and Kumaranashan. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So the 3 people interacted maximum. One was a spiritual man, Srinarayana Guru, and perfect language man. You know the beauty of Srinarayana Guru's language? His Malayalam poetry has only Malayalam. No Tamil word, no Sanskrit word. And his Tamil poetry has only Tamil, no Sanskrit, no Malayalam. And his Sanskrit poetry is full of Sanskrit, deep Sanskrit. He did not mix languages. That's the beauty of language.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
This appreciation is what we require, na?
Yes, sir.
And Ashan was close to him. Therefore, Ashan's poetry has that spirituality, that global knowledge also. Because Palpu was a global man. He was one man who went to UK and studied. He was a doctor who started his profession in United Kingdom.
Okay.
And he did not get a job in Kerala. So he went to Mysore and took a job. In Mysore, he met Swami Vivekananda. And Swami Vivekananda told, don't think about yourself, think about your people in Kerala, go back to Kerala and start. Got it? So he was a man who had a dialogue, met Mysore Palace, Raja. Those days meeting Mysore Palace Raja, meeting Vivekananda, all these are great things, right?
Yes,
He was such a man. And they are the people who took initiative. So when you talk about Kavitrayam, who are the Kavitrayam?
Ashan, Ashan,
Ullur,
Vallathol.
Vallathol. So you should know all the 3, at least 1 or 2 poems. When somebody says immediately, you must be able to chant. Tell me one poetry about Ashan.
Kumaranashan.
Kumaranashan, one poetry.
Kumaranashan.
Ashandia.
അല്ലേ വീണപൂർ.
Yeah, sing.
ഇതിലെല്ലാം വിലക്കുന്ന ജർണി
See, when I was like you, first year student, we had poetry to learn. That was Shishyanum Maganum by Vallathol. What I used to do is by heart the whole book and go and sit in the class. When the master will say open the book, I said, I know, I don't require to open it. How can you imagine a student sitting like this? And when I used to sit in English class, we had Macbeth, Shakespeare's Macbeth. I translated the whole Macbeth into Malayalam and I am sitting in the class. So, do you think I have to look at the textbook once I translate it?
No.
So, sir will look at the book and then master will look at the book and then start reading. Yeah, I know all this. Got it?
Yes.
That is how you should learn. So, don't wait for teachers to teach. Before going to class, study the whole thing. You know the syllabus.
Yes.
You know what teachers what are going to teach, whether they come today or tomorrow. For next 1 week, oh, today no classes, nothing. Teachers did not start teaching, so I have nothing to learn. Don't think like that. Be a student of yourself. You are the teacher for yourself. You have syllabus, you have textbook, study everything, prepare everything and go and sit in the class. Before the teacher says, you know everything. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So prepare before going to class. All that what is, then when you learn, you understand, oh, this subject I want to learn from international teachers. So you learned everything from international teachers, then go and sitting in the class. Sitting in the class is for examination, getting certificate and all that. Like this you prepare, take all the syllabus, whatever the course which you want to do, whichever the toughest exam you want to do. Look at chapter wise, Those chapter you type in the Coursera edX, get the course material, identify. You have a laptop, right?
Yes, sir.
Prepare beautiful no directories. Keep every item there, subject wise, topic wise. Keep an index. Oh, this topic I finished, this day I am starting, this day I am going to finish, and this will support me in the BCom syllabus, this chapter. This will support me in the CS examination, this examination. Finish, complete everything. Create an Excel sheet and then complete each syllabus, which course, which university I am doing. You should do from Cambridge University, American University, UK University, Brazil University, France University. So next 10 years you must know different universities in the world, which subject is good where. Can you do this?
Yes.
That's how you should. This is the method to learn in the new era. Okay, because all the teachers who are taking tuitions, every teacher who is teaching in the local places, all of them, if they were big, great, do you think they will teach in such places? They will never teach in such places, right?
Yes.
They would have become higher and higher in their life. Why they become teachers in such coaching center? Because they did not do well. Do you want to go to such people, or you want to become internationally good?
International.
So do that, but don't do it alone. Keep on talking. Next 1 month, identify, at least talk to different people during tea time, lunch time. So you have a great topic to say. So every student will say, see, Devangana is doing something great, yeah. We should also follow her. You have to become a propagator. You must be able to speak to people. If not today, after some time they'll come back to you.
Okay.
Got it? That's a method to learn.
Okay.
And anytime you don't understand any subject, any subject in the world, in any part, any portion, any subject, any chapter, any functional activity, any problem not able to solve, Dr. TPS 9447437948.
Okay.
We'll keep doing it. Okay, but I will post this. If in case if you tell me 1 or 2 days early, I will put the topic. I will put Devangana from Kodungalur want to learn this, and I will circulate in my students team. So if I would have done this today, at least 10 people will join. There are people who are doing law. There are people who are doing different subject in the different part of the world. All of them, few people at least will join. Okay. Last week we had a dialogue with South Korean students. After that we had a Pakistani dialogue. Last dialogue was with South Africa. So students from South Africa also will join.
Okay.
So you are knowing the world. Got it?
Yes.
That is how you should learn. Don't think about what subject you learn. Learn everything. And your subject you want to learn much deeper, but other subjects also you want to learn little bit.
Okay.
Are you got more confused or got some clarity?
I got clarity.
Yeah, don't let me ask. As I finish or once I keep saying, you should say, yeah, now I got some clarity.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't wait for somebody to ask for response. Suppose I give you payasam to drink. Should I have to ask, how is the payasam? Then only you will say it is good?
No. If it's good, I will say.
Yeah. So, but so far I spoke, did you ever show some interest in saying, yeah, this is a new idea, I would have done it. I like to do it. Did you tell like that?
No.
I will share one student like you, not even like you, maybe 3 years younger than you, who is talking with me from America. Each word when we say that, yeah, it's a new idea, that's very good. I appreciate it. And before I speak, they will say which word I am going to say also. They will add some more knowledge. Devangana is not bad. Because you did not get trained in this. Got it? So listen to that dialogue. Okay. That dialogue is in my YouTube. But whenever you see YouTube, you also should comment.
Okay.
Just glance through.
Uh,
And if it is attractive, you like to listen to that, then listen very carefully. So I will tell you how to search that dialogue which I had with that student. Every date, even today, this discussion you wanted to see sometime in YouTube. How should you look at it? Today is 21. 2021, right?
yes.
November is 11.
11.
So 21, 11, 22. That is the number code which I will give.
21, 11, 20, 20.
22 will tell that, oh, I met Devangana today.
Okay.
Similarly, how do I remember that number? I should remember that was 2020 October 14. So the number will be 20, 10, 14.
20, 10, 40.
So you go and search Dr. TPS, Dr. TPS, no dot, continuous. Dr. Dr. TPS. 20, 10, 40.
20, 40.
201014. Then you will reach that. There will be at least different topics. Leadership. So many. She had some assignments to submit. Each assignment she has to write about leadership. She was discussing with me. So I am explaining what leadership is. But then, the way they appreciate. Listen, not just to get the knowledge, how to respond to discussions.
Okay.
That's how you should learn. So that, dialoguing you will learn. That is communication. Communication is not good English. Communication is, how do you appreciate? How do you speak in between? How do you make other people become more interested to speak? Now you see, you are waiting for me to speak something, but you are keeping quiet. You are only a receiver. No reflection at all. This is what I do. I have not seen any change. See, I told you so many things, right?
Yes.
You said yes. Is it the way people, any animal can do it, any Pashu can do that, right?
Yes.
Again you are saying yes. So what should be the way you reflect? How do a good student respond to what I said now?
The way I understand is that
So what should be the way you should respond? I am asking.
I respond in a good way.
No, again you are making only quality statements. I am asking, I told you so many things now. The last few things what I told is to improve your communication. So what are you going to respond to that? How do you give an answer to that? How do you appreciate it?
By speaking to more.
No, again you don't understand, beta. See, what Devangana should tell is, now I realized there is a method of responding or reflecting to discussion. So immediately after this, I am going to log on and look at YouTube, and I am sure I am going to look at it and give a comment on my appreciation after listening to that. Don't say okay again. This is how you should respond. I am telling that is what is communication. But still you will say, This is not your problem. Your problem is you are a student of the mediocre, useless teachers for long years. So you lost your ability to respond. Don't do that. That is not communication. Don't say Stop saying yes, Speak out. use the words. You are not an animal, you are a human being. So speak. Don't become confused in saying yes, no. It will be more boring. I will not talk to you from tomorrow onwards if you don't end with good discussions.
Now I understood how to respond. So I will try my best.
No, again, try is a very bad word. Don't use the word try. Suppose you ask your father, please drive me to city. Will he say, I will try driving?
No.
What is try means?
Try means I will.
You don't know. See, try means you don't know. You have a doubt in your ability. If somebody asks you to make tea, will you say, I will try to make tea?
No, I will make it.
Yeah, then why are you saying, I will try to see? Do you have a doubt that you are going to do? If somebody says try, I know that they are not going to do it. I am very, very, very sharp. You will not see a teacher like me in the world. I will catch each word and cut you. Because I want to perfect you. Understood?
Okay, I understood.
That is what I am doing. So don't use the word try.
Okay, I will not use.
No try at all in your word. Do it, that's it. You are not handicapped, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You have every ability to do it. Then why do you try?
I will do it.
That's
I
it.
will do.
You understood the difference.
Yes.
Okay, Pradeep. നയൻത്തിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഫിസിക്സിൽ ഓംസ് ലോ ഉണ്ടോ?
Ohm's law ഇല്ല തോന്നുന്നു.
ഉണ്ട്. നോക്കിയാട്ട് അത് തുറന്നു നോക്കിയാലേ അറിയുള്ളൂ.
അല്ല. അത് ഫസ്റ്റ് രണ്ട് ചാപ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യും.
ഫുൾ കഴിഞ്ഞോ സിലബസ്?
ഇല്ല, രണ്ട് ചാപ്റ്റർ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട്. രണ്ട് ചാപ്റ്റർ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട്.
ബാക്കിയുള്ള ചാപ്റ്ററിൽ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ ഓംസ് ലോ?
അത് ബാക്കിയുള്ള ചാപ്റ്റർ ഞാൻ നോക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്.
അതുകൊണ്ട്
അതായത് 3 ദിവസമായിട്ട് പുള്ളിയാറ് യൂട്യൂബിൽ ചോദിച്ചോട്ടെ സാറേ എവിടെയൊക്കെ തപ്പിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് ചോദിച്ചേ
യൂട്യൂബിൽ എന്ത് കണ്ടാലും എൻ്റെ എന്ത് കണ്ടാലും അതിനടിയിൽ താഴത്ത് ഒരു ലൈൻ ഇടണം. എന്താണ് അതിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടിയതെന്ന് എഴുതി വെക്കണം. അവരാണ് നല്ല സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്. ഇപ്പം എനിക്ക് ആതിര എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടൊരു സ്റ്റുഡൻറ് ഉണ്ട് കോട്ടയത്ത്. അത് എന്ത് കണ്ടാലും നിങ്ങൾ ആ ലിങ്ക് കാണാം, എൻ്റെ താഴത്ത് എഴുതി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും, ഫ്രം ദിസ് വീഡിയോ ഇന്ന പോയിന്റ്സ് ഒക്കെ എനിക്ക് കിട്ടി.